Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sobia Ravel. I'm from Peshawar Model School, Noshwara campus. Today I'm going to deliver a lecture on Introduction to Biology. This is unit number 1, Introduction to Biology for class 9th. Before starting, do subscribe my channel and let's begin. So, our first unit is Introduction to Biology. Now, what is biology? Biology is actually a Greek word, and it is a combination of two words. Bio means life and logos means to study. Now, if we define biology, the branch of science that deals with the study of living organisms is called biology. So all the living organisms, plants, animals, all the living organisms are studied in biology. This biology is mainly classified into 3 classes. First one is botany, second one is zoology, and the third one is microbiology. Now, what is botany? All the plants, they are studied under the heading of this botany. Now, all the animals, they are studied in zoology. And what is microbiology? Micro means small and biology means to study. So, all the living organisms that could not be seen with the naked eye, they are studied under the heading of microbiology. Now, after defining the biology, we come to different branches of biology. For ease and convenience, scientists have divided biology into a lot of branches so that they can be studied easily. Let me read them for you. First one is morphology. What is morphology? If we read it, morphology is the study of form, shape, and structure of organisms. How an organism looks, like what is its structure, how it is formed, they all are studied in morphology. Morphology is the physical appearance, the study of the physical appearance of organisms. Second one is anatomy. Anatomy is the study of internal structure of organisms. What are the internal structures? These are the stomach, the brain, the lungs, all the internal organs. They are studied in anatomy. It could be of plants, it could be of animals. If we are dealing with the anatomy of animals, it could be the lungs, the liver, stomach, etc. And if we are studying anatomy of plants, then it could be the roots, the shoots, the leaves, etc. What is histology? Whenever the word histo comes, it is tissues. So histology is the study of composition, structure, and functions of plants and tissues. Structure and functions. How an organism internal parts are composed, how they are formed, what is their structure, and what functions they perform. They are studied in histology. For example, we are supposed to study the nervous system of an organism. So all the parts that are present in the nervous system, they are studied in histology. Physiology deals with the function of different parts of organisms and activities occurring in them. All the parts inside an organism, how they perform, they are studied in physiology. Fifth one is embryology. What is embryology? It deals with the embryo and the phenomena involved in the formation of embryo and its development into a new organism. The beginning of life and the process which leads to its formation, they all are studied in embryology. How a life is begun and how it develops into a complete organism, that are studied in embryology. Sixth one is taxonomy. Taxonomy is the study of classification of organisms and their scientific naming. Another word for taxonomy for ease is nomenclature. How organisms are named. For example, the scientific name of a human is Homo sapien. Like how an organism like human being is named as Homo sapien. So this is a method to name the organisms. All the organisms are named, and this naming is done in the branch of biology which is called taxonomy. Cell biology. Cell biology, or another word is cytology, is the study of cells and their organelles. For example, we have a cell and we have to study it, and all the parts inside that cell, they are supposed to be studied in this cell biology. Next one is paleontology. Paleontology is the study of fossils of past organisms. For example, study of dinosaurs. It is an extinct species, so it is a fossil one. So if we want to study dinosaur and its life processes, so it will come under the heading of paleontology. Next one is immunology. Immunology is the study of the body's system of defense against disease-causing microorganisms. It is actually the study of the defense system of an organism, that how organisms react to different disease-causing agents which gets inside into its body. So that is studied under immunology. Entomology. Entomology deals with the study of insects. Simply, the study of insects is called entomology. Genetics. Genetics deals with the study of transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. How the characters, the different characters, they are transferred from one generation to the next. For example, from parents to their children, from their children to their next one generation, that is studied in genetics. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a study of the use of organisms for the benefit and welfare of humanity. Taking living things and utilizing them for the ease and benefits of humans, that is called biotechnology. Environmental biology. It is the branch of biology which deals with interrelationship of organisms and their environment. What is the relationship between organisms living in a specific environment and that environment? That is simply the study of the organism with its environment. That is studied in environmental biology. Parasitology, as the name indicates, it's the branch of biology which deals with the study of parasites and all aspects of parasitism. For example, there is an organism and it lives inside another organism and it takes all the help from that organism. So such a relationship is studied in parasitology. Sociobiology, as the name indicates, socio is related to socialism and biology is a study of living organisms. So these two are connected, and another word, that is sociobiology. It is concerned with the social behavior of some animals such as humans, bees, ants, etc. Sociobiology investigates the beneficial relationship among the animals living in the same area. How organisms react to different social behaviors, how organisms react with other organisms living with them, that is studied in sociobiology. Pharmacology is a scientific study of drugs and their effects on human body. Pharmacology analyzes the synthesis and breakdown, biological activity and effects and delivery of drugs. How the medicines are designed and what are their effects on the living organisms, all that aspects are studied in pharmacology.